Yo, I cannot believe, son. It is raining New York City, Midtown Manhattan. You know what I mean? 7th Avenue, Broadway. It's pouring. Look at this. It's pouring. It's pouring. Yeah, ask the lady here. It's pouring, right? It's pouring. It's not much to do. It's dead. I gotta try to get on a Trizane and head back to BK or uptown, whichever. But it's really nothing to do. So, got my bag right there, hit the gym. Actually, I was late trying to get in the gym, but New York City raining. It was raining out in California. Out in the Bay. I get back to New York City, raining. But it's a Saturday. Peace.